Myself Tapan Pithia, and I'm gonna deliver a speech on how youth is driving political and social change in our country. मंद है तो बल नहीं, बल है तो मंद नहीं, और जिस युवा में देश को दुविधा में देख खून नरम, वो सच्चा देशभक्त ही नहीं. Today's generation youth is divided into two parts. Let's not discuss the negative side, but yes, I'm eager to share the other side of the youth. The kind of energy, the kind of passion, and the kind of determination it has, it is wonderable. Coming towards my topic, I will share few examples of our youth who are today leading our country. Kanu Priya of Punjab University, when there were elections in their university, the team told no to girls to participate in elections, but she rose her voice and she participated in election and won the election, and today she is coming forward for backward regions and also coming for the women employment through ministry, and she is also offered for ministry in council for next 2025. Then Ravi Kumar, he is a passionate reporter who fearlessly reported NDTV, who has been national council. He was been affected by NDTV by giving wrong news. Then in nowadays highlight there is Ravindra Singh Bhati. He is the political leader of Badmer, Jaisalmer and Balotra region. When there were not adequate facilities of water and electricity, he rose his voice towards parliament, but he was ignored by his own party. Then he also rose his own voice against his own party, BJP, and today he is in support with this. My friends, this is the youth is not participating nowadays, but it's coming from earlier. Chandrasekhar Azad, then Bhagat Singh and Aruna Saif Ali. When you will hear the revolutionary fights, your blood will rush off. Aruna Saif Ali was just 21 years old and participated in Quit India movement, and now she is famous for its underground movements also. Then Chandrasekhar Azad, just at 31 years of old, he formed an National Indian Army. Coming towards Mughal period का नाम सुन के मुझे एक ही नाम है जो आधी रात को भी जगा देता है, वो है महाराणा प्रताप. जब मेवाड़ की धरती पे महाराणा प्रताप उसके मेवाड़ की अकबर और सलीम के सामने लड़ाई कर रहे थे, तब अकबर ने कहा था बिना लड़त के तुम हमें ये मेवाड़ की धरती दे दो, वरना हम तुम्हारा चित्तौड़गढ़ का किला ले लेंगे. तब राणा ने एक ही शब्द कहा था कि ऐसे चित्तौड़गढ़ के 100 किले मेरे देश के लिए कुर्बान है. And you will be wondering, his age was just 15 years when his parents were died. So, before becoming a leader, who you choose your inspirational leader is more important. Jai Garvi Gujarat. Thank you.